Hello everyone, this is P342WAJ, and I am going to be playing Alien Objective. So first, thing, I'm just going to click, I'm going to be trading random things to random people, and I will accept if they accept. So, yeah, let's just wait for my computer to catch up with me. These are back in stores and just trying to trick people to accepting. Not trying to scam. So I am P342WAJ. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and you can always teach me. I don't think that person's on right now. Yeah. Whoa, what just happened? I'm sorry about that. Okay, this is being a bot.